How to banana in CS2. First, we have bananas get the flashbang. This straightforward lineup can be used at the beginning of the round. To place your crosshair on the circular stop sign on the T trump, you must crouch jump close to the railing that is placed on the side of the steps. Use a straightforward jump left click throw to release the flashbang. Anyone attempting to hold an angle from the city side close to the wooden crates will be blinded when the need explodes above the opening on banana. Next, Molotov on the containers made of wood. To ignite the entire area behind the wooden crates, just left click the Molotov and throw it. This will drive out any city attempting to keep a close angle and dissuade any defenders from maintaining the position. Now that the distance between you and B side has been reduced, we can advance up to the wooden crates and the half wall. Next, we have Molotov grenade on sandbags. When you get to the half wall, you may flush out anyone hiding behind sandbags by spamming grenades and Molotov cocktails from behind and bouncing them off the wall corner. Any city player who refuses to leave their vision will have to deal with the full might of the terrorist side flooding the area. The banana section of Inferno can be completely controlled in this manner. Last we have here is flush pop over a half wall. A right-click toss with a flashbang over the half wall can also be used to confuse adversaries hiding in close quarters and peek out to score some uncompensated kills. Anyone attempting to hold a corner in front of sandbags near the entrance to B site is likewise blinded by the splash. This can also be done to assist a teammate in destroying the bling city players with a swing around a corner. How to banana in CS2 or tips to control banana on Inferno. Thank you so much for watching and see you again in our next videos.